Every Google account comes with a password manager built in to save your passwords and keep them secure. Using the password manager is simple. When you're using Chrome on your mobile device or desktop, whenever you enter a password, Google will ask you if you'd like to save it. Once you click Save, that password will be safely stored. To ensure your saved passwords will be available on all your devices, make sure you're signed into Chrome with your Google account and that sync is enabled. To see your saved passwords, you can access the Password Manager in two ways. One is through your Google account settings page. The other is by visiting passwords.google.com in any browser window, then signing in with your Google account. All the passwords you see here are securely saved, visible only to you, yet available for autofill across Chrome and Android devices. From here, you can view, edit, or delete a password after verifying your Google account login. Access your password manager from any device, on any browser, to help retrieve your passwords and make them safer.